Lalita Lavanga Lata Parishilana Komala Malaya Samire. Spring is the season of new beginnings, of blossoming flowers, of new mangoes. And in this Kanawake territory we live in, sprigs of green leaves breaking through the permafrost. In historically tropical agrarian societies like India, spring is the end of one harvest and the celebration of a new year before the summer harvest starts. It's the season of joy, of fresh starts, and bountiful abundance. Ugadi, celebrated in the region between the Vindhya Mountains and the Kaveri River, is the harbinger of spring. On the first day of Chaitra, everyone comes together in prayer, in community, with new clothes and renewed energy. In ancient civilizations like those in India and Turtle Island, a lot of our festivals are aligned with the Earth's revolution around the sun. It was a very practical way of life, connected with our land and nature. It was linked to worship of the forces that helped sustain our civilizations. The beginning of the Bengali New Year is the month of Boishakh, the first month of our lunisolar calendar. The warm tropical sun ushers in the end of disease and a promise of leaving the old behind. We celebrate Bangali Noboborsho with Tagore's iconic Esho He Boishakh.
Esho he Boishakh, esho esho, esho he Boishakh, esho esho. তাপসনী শাসবায়ে মুমুর সুরে দাও রায়ে বৎসরের আবর্জনা দূর হয়ে যাক 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 এসো 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 হে বৈশাখ এসো 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 হে বৈশাখ এসো এসো জাগলানি ঘুচে যাক জরা অগ্নি স্নানে শুচি হোক ধরা মুছে যাক গ্লানি ঘুচে যাক জরা এসো 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 হে বৈশাখ এসো এসো
Putthandu, the first day of Chittirai, is the Tamil New Year. The end of a harvest, the start of something new, and also the season of love. As the community gathers to celebrate with trays of flowers and fruit, in worship, young hearts find blossoming love in the spring air. In this Tamil feast, we celebrate new beginnings and love in the new year. Different parts of the subcontinent celebrate the new year with food, new clothes, new love. In Assam, young and old get together to celebrate Rangali Bihu with Bihu Geet and dance. This season is when Bordoisila, daughter of earth, visits her mother's home and brings with her strong northwesterly winds, a reference to the pagan beginnings of Bodo Kacharis, natives of the land.
হায়ো এ বেলি ধুনিয়া ওই বেলি ধুনিয়া ওই বিহুধে মেলিয়া বেলি ওই কলিজার মাতে রে ওই মাতি সুখবাকে ওই বিহু গাওয়া তাই মিলি জুড়ি